Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss in exercise 9.1 question number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. He decided to fix the slide in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Right? Slide means it should be in the slanting format. Right? Now, the height of the slide from the ground is 1.5 meter. She said an angle is 30 degree. Right? She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. One slide is over. Another one for elder children, that is above 5 years. She wants to have a steep slide. Steep means somewhat height, at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree. This is for below 5 years. This slide is below 5 years. It is above 5 years. Above 5 years, he decided it should be steep. The height should be little bit lengthy, that is 3 meter, double of this. Here 1.5, here 3 meter. It makes an angle. It makes an angle 60 degree. Right? It makes an angle 60 degree. Here she is expecting to find the length of the slide. Length of the slide means what? MT, the distance between MT. Here the distance between TI. She is expecting to find the length of both the slides. How to find the length of both the sides? You see, here opposite is there. Which trigonometry is useful to find this? Opposite side is there. We want to find a hypotenuse. So, which trigonometry is applicable here? Sine. Right? Now, sine 30 degree in triangle MAT, angle A equal to 90 degree, sine 30 degree equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse measurement is given to you. So what it is? 1.5 divided by MT. Divided by MT. Now what is sine 30 degree? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to 1.5 divided by MT. Then you cross multiply. MT equal to 3 meter. 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3. Next, above 5 year he made another one slide. That slide length also we need to find, right? Here also the same trigonometry function will help you, right? In triangle TRI, angle R equal to 90 degree, then sine 60 degree equal to what it is? Opposite by hypotenuse. Whenever we want to find a hypotenuse, if opposite is given, you should adapt sine. If adjacent is given, you have to adapt cos. Right? Other than that, opposite and adjacent they are expecting, you should use the trigonometry function as tan theta. Right? Sine 60 equal to TR divided by TI. TR divided by TI. What is sine 60 degree? That is root 3 by 2 equal to TR is given as 3 divided by TI. Then Ti equal to 6 divided by root 3. 6 divided by root 3. Then 6 can be written as 2 into 3 divided by root 3. Still more you want to simplify, you should do 3 as 2 into root 3 divided into root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 cancel, you will get the answer as 2 root 3 meter. Below 5 years the length of the slide is 3 meter. Above 5 years the length of the slide is 2 root 3 meter. Right? MT equal to 3 meter. Ti equal to 2 root 3 meter. Got it, children? Now question number 4. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. They mentioned as angle of elevation, right? Find the height of the tower, right? This is the point, tower, is there. What they mention, you see, the angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Angle of elevation, this is our horizontal line, this is our line of sight. Above the horizontal line and the line of sight, the angle is there. That's why we mentioned as angle of elevation. That is 30 degree. Here they given us the tower is, the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. That means the distance between the point and the foot of the tower is 30 meter. Right? In triangle GON, angle O equal to 90 degree. I said trigonometry, we are going to use only the right triangle, right? Then they are expecting height of the tower. See here, opposite to the angle is opposite side. This is your adjacent. They are expecting to find opposite side, adjacent is given. So which trigonometry function is useful? Tan theta, right? So tan 30 degree equal to, this is our tower, right? Tan 30 degree equal to GO divided by ON. What is tan 30 degree value? 1 by root 3. GO, they are expecting to ask, right? They are expecting to find. What is our ON? ON is 30. Now, GO equal to 30 by root 3 meter. If you want, you should rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means what? Use this irrational number, multiply both numerator and denominator. Then what can you get? 30 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, it becomes 3. Then 3 tens are, right? 10 root 3 meter. Suppose root 3 value is given, means you should substitute root 3 value and find out the value of height of the tower. How to find that? 10 into root 3 value is 1.732. Root 3 value is what? 1.732. Then what it is? When you multiply by 10, the decimal move towards right. The decimal move towards right. That means this point will move to here. Then the value it becomes 17.32 meter. Therefore, height of the tower equal to 10 root 3 meter, that is also correct, or 17.32 meter. Got it? If root 3 value is given, you have to substitute here and find out. Got it, children? Now question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Right? The kite is flying at the height of above the ground is 60 meter. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. String, this is your string, it is attached to the ground temporarily, right, to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. This is our horizontal line. Above, this is our line of sight. Above the horizontal line and the line of sight, the angle is there, that is angle of elevation. They mentioned as 60 degree. Find the length of the string. Find the length of the string. Right? They are expecting to find, they are asked us to find Ty. What is the measurement of Ty? In triangle, angle R equal to 90 degree. What they are asked us to find? Hypotenuse. Here opposite is given. Which trigonometry function? Which trigonometry function is useful? Sin theta, right? So, sin 60 degree equal to opposite by hypotenuse. TR divided by Ty. TR divided by Ty. TR you know that is 60 meter, right? 60 meter. So, sin 60 equal to 60 divided by Ty, opposite by hypotenuse, that is 60 by Ty. What is sin 60 degree? Root 3 by 2 equal to 60 divided by Ty. Ty equal to 120 divided by root 3. It will act as a reciprocal when you shift to the opposite side. The Ty it will come here. Here it is a denominator. When you come to this side, when you shift to this side, it will act as a numerator. Again, if you want to do the rationalize the denominator, you have to multiply the irrational number. Use this irrational number and multiply your numerator and denominator. So, what can you get? 120 root 3 divided by 3. 40 root 3. The length of the string is The length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. This is our kite, right? They are asking to find the length of the string that it represented your Ty. So, using trigonometry function that sine, because we want to find a hypotenuse, opposite is given. So, sine is useful to find the answer. Sin 60 equal to TR by Ty. Sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Here 60 divided by Ty. Ty equal to 120 by root 3. You are doing the rationalize the denominator. So, use the same number and multiply your numerator and denominator. Finally, you arrive the result as 40 root 3. Therefore, the length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. Now, question number 6. a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. This is a boy. .5 meter, right? Then he is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. 30 meter tall building. This is our building. Right? 30 meter. A boy is going to see the top of the tower. So this is our horizontal line. Right, children? Now it looks like a rectangle. When you draw a line, this is the boy eye, right? From the eye to the opposite side, when you draw a line, that is a horizontal line. Then you have to label it some alphabet as C, right? Now he is going to see the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. First, when he see the top of the building, 30 degree angle of elevation, then it increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. He walks towards the building. He walks towards the building. That means that point is 30 degree to 60 degree. 30 degree to 60 degree. Once again, I am going to explain the diagram. You see, children, MA is a boy, that is 1.5 meter. He is going to see, he is viewing the top of the tower at an angle is 30 degree. Then he is moving towards the building. That time when he is viewing the top of the tower, it makes an angle 60 degree. The total height of the building is 30 meter. The total height of the building is 30 meter. One thing I want to tell you, here it looks like a rectangle. Rectangle means what? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Since MATC is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That means what is your conclusion? Opposite sides are equal, you said. That means MA equal to TC. MA equal to TC, which is equal to 1.5 meter. Which is equal to 1.5 meter. That means what is the position of CI? CI equal to CT plus CT TI equal to CI plus CT, right? TI is the total height of the building, that is 30 meter. CT is 1.5. Now what is CI? CI equal to 30 minus 1.5. 30 minus 1.5. Then what it is? 30 minus 1.5, 28.5 meter. Now what is the value of CI? 28.5 meter. Got it, children? The total height, that is I to T is 30. I to T is 30. So the TI can be represented as CI plus CT. CI equal to TI minus CT. CT we know 1.5. So you arrive the result as CI equal to 28.5 meter. What they are asking, you see, find the distance he walked towards the building. They are asked us to find SC, right? Now, here also opposite is there, they are expecting adjacent, so you should use the trigonometry function as tan theta, right? Tan in triangle MCI, angle C is equal to 90 degree, angle C is equal to 90 degree, tan 30 degree equal to opposite by adjacent, opposite by adjacent, that is CI divided by MC, CI divided by MC. What is CI? We got 28.5 meter, sorry, 28.5 divided by MC. Then what is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equal to 28.5 divided by MC. So what is MC? MC equal to 28.5 root 3 meter, 28.5 root 3 meter. Tan 60 degree equal to, that means in triangle SCI, in triangle SCI, angle C is equal to 90 degree, tan 60 degree equal to CI divided by SC, CI divided by SC. Then what is 60 degree? Root 3. Root 3 equal to CI value you know 28.5 divided by SC. Then SC equal to 28.5 by root 3, 28.5 by root 3. What they are expecting, you see, find the distance he walked towards the building. That is MC equal to MS plus SC. MC value you know what it is, 28.5 root 3. They are expecting to find the distance between M to S, right? MS equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. Now in both the things 28.5 is common, so you have to take it as a, take it outside. Then what can you get? 28.5 bracket root 3 minus 1 by root 3, which is equal to 28.5 root 3 into root 3 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 divided by root 3, 2 divided by root 3. Then you have to multiply 28.5 into 2, 57, right? So MC equal to 57 divided by root 3. Again you want to do the rationalize the denominator. So 57 into root 3 divided by 3, 119, right? So which is equal to 19 root 3 meter. The distance he walked towards the building is distance walk towards the building is 19 root 3 meter. Got it, children? They are asked us to find MS. from M to S, how much distance he covered. Got it? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.